How to fix split screen on iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Genie Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can actually fix split screen on your iPad. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is you can see that I'm currently on my iPad, and let's say I want to actually multitask. For that, I would need to turn on split screen. For example, let's say while I'm opening the Mail app, I also want to open some other applications from this list. So in order to do that, what I will do is from the bottom, I will actually drag and hold over slowly to enable this taskbar icons. Once I do that, I will long press and drag the app on which I want to multitask. For example, if I select Safari or any other browser, to enable this taskbar icons, all I have to do is long press on this app and then drag them to the left hand side or the right hand side to enable multitasking mode. So as you can see, we have successfully enabled multitasking mode, which means we have a Mail app on our left hand side, and on the right hand side we have the Safari browser. In order to actually adjust the changes, we have to actually drag this little bar icon at the middle of the screen, so we can also actually adjust the size. Now, in order to actually remove this from it, what we have to do is, let's say we want to remove Mail. So what I will do is we're going to actually drag this slider to over the app which we want to remove. So as you can see to the left hand side, if I remove it, that app is basically going to get closed and only Safari is going to remain. Similarly, if I repeat another process just like that, so let me also just go ahead and then select another process, and let's say this time I want to remove the Safari app. Then again, we will simply drag this into the left hand side over the app which we want to remove and then open it in this mode. Now, if you want to disable split screen permanently, that is, you don't want to get confused and you want to disable it permanently, in that case you have to open up settings. Now, if you're under iOS 14, then this process is very simple. All you have to do is go to home screen and dock. Once you go to home screen and dock, over here you would find the option called multitasking. So you have to tap in multitasking, and when you tap in multitasking, you have to basically uncheck the toggle right next to allow multiple apps. So over here, when you tap on multitasking, you have to uncheck the toggle next to allow multiple apps, but on iOS 15 we do not have that option because Apple simply removed it. Instead, what you could do is, as I said earlier, you can simply drag over to the app which you want to remove, and this is how you can fix split screen on iPad. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.